Make.com Google Drive full tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll go ahead and discuss Make.com. Basically, if you want to automate tasks and save hours on work every day, Make.com, formerly known as Integromat, is one of the best automation tools out there, helping you connect apps, streamline workflows, and eliminate repetitive tasks. In this video, I'll walk you through what Make.com is and how it works, how to create your first automation aka scenario, integrating apps and services, and lastly advanced automation tips and troubleshooting. Now before we proceed, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now let's go ahead and talk about what is Make.com and how does it work. Make.com is a no-code automation platform that connects different apps and services, allowing them to communicate and perform actions automatically. Think of it as a supercharged alternative to tools like Zapier. You can create workflows called scenarios where one app triggers an action in another without manual input. Now, the example use cases are automatically send email notifications when a new order is placed. You can go ahead and sync Google Sheets with Trello for project management, post Instagram updates to Twitter without doing it manually, or you can go ahead and set it up to backup files from Dropbox to Google Drive. Now, Make.com gives you a visual workflow automation, meaning you can drag and drop actions and see how data flows between apps. Now, of course, to get started, you want to navigate through the official website of Make.com, and once inside, you simply want to click on Get Started Free. Right after that, it will then go ahead and take us to this page where we have to sign in using our Google account, our Facebook, or we even have our GitHub account right here. But of course, you can just go ahead and sign up using this fill up form right here. You have your name, the email that you want to use. It could be iCloud, Microsoft email, and more. You have your password, and lastly, you have your hosting region. So just go ahead and click on sign up for free and you should be good to go. If you want to use your Google, you simply want to click on the Google option right here. And basically once inside, it will then go ahead and look something like this. From here, you have your categories like your own organization, your team, your scenarios, which we'll go ahead and discuss later. You have your templates, connection to your accounts, webhooks, and more. Now, to make things easier, you can go ahead and select one of the templates right here that contains Google Drive. But we will go ahead and talk about this later. Let's first focus on the scenario category or creating scenarios from scratch. Now basically, if we navigate through our dashboard right here, we can then go ahead and see a button called create a new scenario. So you want to go ahead and click on this scenario right here and just wait for the page to finish loading. Once inside, it will then take you to this page where you can now go ahead and select your application. In our case, it's going to be Google Drive. But of course, before you go ahead and choose Google Drive right here, let's go ahead and choose what type of scenario we want to integrate with our Google Drive. So in my case, I want to go ahead and integrate something like ChatGPT. And if I generate an image on ChatGPT, it will basically auto-upload it into Google Drive. So to do this, you want to navigate through the ChatGPT option. Of course, you can go ahead and select any application right here that you want to integrate with your Google Drive. But in my case, as an example, I'll go ahead and use ChatGPT. Once inside, I'll click on generate an image. And so when I generate an image, it will then go ahead and upload that image into Google Drive. Now, from here, you want to make sure that you go ahead and connect your account. So just go ahead and click on create a connection. You basically need to do this for all of your apps. So for example, if you're using something like Google Sheets or maybe Instagram, you can just go ahead and log in your Instagram from Make.com website to make sure that your accounts is connected. Right after that, you now want to head over to the add another module button because this is where we are going to add our Google Drive. So just go ahead and search for Google Drive. And from here, we have options that we can go ahead and choose. You have search for files / folder, download a file, create a file from text, create a folder, and more. From here, I'll just go ahead and click on upload a file. since I want to upload my AI generated image to my Google Drive right here. So once again, you want to click on create a connection, click on sign in with Google, and from there, it will then go ahead and open up a page where you have to make sure that your account and make.com is connected. So you can just go ahead and select your own email, and from there, you then want to click on continue. It will basically go ahead and look something like this. Just wait for this page to finish loading, and from there, it will now verify the connection. Now that you have both of your accounts connected, this will now go ahead and work based on your scenario right here. And so just as another example, and so just to show you the potential of Google Drive, you can always go ahead and add another module from the scenario section right here. And so basically it will go ahead and generate an image, upload that image into my Google Drive, and from Google Drive it will basically insert that into my Gmail. From here, I'll click on create email or send an email. Once again, click on create a connection, and from there you will be able to basically make this as your automation scenario from ChatGPT to Google Drive to your Gmail account. And so heading over to the templates, as I've mentioned previously, to make everything easier, you can just go ahead and navigate through the template page. And once inside, you can then go ahead and separate or filter out the applications right here by searching on Google Drive at the search bar above. So let's go ahead and search Google Drive. And as you can see, it will basically filter out the templates that contains Google Drive. And so maybe you want to go ahead and filter this even more. Let's go ahead and say that you want to use Google Drive into something like Trello, ChatGPT, or Gmail. You can just go ahead and put that right here. Now let's go ahead and enter Telegram as an example. Let's use Google Drive with Telegram. Click on the Telegram application, and from there it will basically go ahead and filter out the template section into Google Drive and Telegram. So let's go ahead and click on a specific template that you want to go ahead and use for your Google Drive. And once inside, we have two templates that we can go ahead and use. You have the start guided setup. You can just go ahead and click on the guided setup to make things easier. Or if you want to customize the scenario from the template, you can just go ahead and click on this button right here. You will be able to add some applications, add another scenario or module, and more. In our case, to make everything easier, I'll just click on the start guided setup. From here, it will then go ahead and tell us to connect our Telegram account, which is the step 1. Right after, once again, it will tell us to create an account or link our account from the Telegram. And lastly, for step 3, once again, connect our account to our Google Drive right here. And so there you go. You have easily used Google Drive on make.com. You can just go ahead and start from scratch by making your own or choose a Google Drive template from the template section. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.